In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your Amazon wallet in just 5 minutes. Whether you've received a gift card for your birthday, a holiday, or just because, transferring its balance to your Amazon account ensures that you're ready to start shopping whenever you like. Let's dive into this simple process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Amazon website. Once you're there, locate the sign in button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it to bring up the sign in page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure that you're using the email associated with your Amazon account to avoid any issues. After you've entered your email address, click the continue button. Now enter your password to access your account. If you aren't automatically signed in, click the sign in button once again. Once you've signed into your Amazon account, you will see the home page. From here, direct your attention to the account and lists section, which is often located in the same area as the sign in button. Click on account and lists to access your account settings. Now that you're in the account settings area, look for the gift cards option. Clicking on gift cards will redirect you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your gift card balance. On this page, you'll see an option labeled redeem a gift card. Click on it, which will take you to a new section dedicated to gift card redemption. Here, you'll need the physical or digital gift card with you, as you will enter the 14-digit code from your gift card. Be sure to enter the code exactly as it appears on the card to avoid any errors. After entering the 14-digit code, you'll want to hit the button labeled Apply to your balance. This step is crucial as it transfers the amount from the gift card into your Amazon wallet. Once your gift card balance has been applied, it's available for use. You can use this balance for any purchase on Amazon, as long as Amazon Pay is accepted as a payment method. This flexibility makes it easy to manage your finances and know exactly how much you have available for any future shopping endeavors. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Amazon gift card balance to your Amazon wallet. This means next time you shop, your balance will automatically be applied at the checkout, making payments seamless and convenient. Remember, whenever you have a new gift card, you can repeat these simple steps to ensure your balance is always up to date. Happy shopping and enjoy your new Amazon balance.